I don't plan my whole week and honestly it works better for me because पूरे week की planning एक साथ करने के बजाय I prefer using one day at a time. At first it might look like just another notebook but actual में ये मेरे thoughts, tasks और priorities को एक ही place पे organize करने में मेरी बहुत help करती है. And the best part is that there is no fixed way to use it. Some people like planning their entire week in advance. They decide what task they want to complete each day और उस हिसाब से वो अपना पूरा एक स्केड्यूल बना लेते हैं एंड दैट वर्क्स परफेक्टली फॉर मैनी पीपल बट पर्सनली आई फील दैट वी ऑलवेज डोंट नो कि पूरा वीक कैसे जाने वाला है लाइक बीच में कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें आ सकती है प्लान्स कैन चेंज एंड समटाइम्स आवर प्रायोरिटीज कैन चेंज टू दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक टेकिंग थिंग्स वन डे एट अ टाइम पर जब आप अपनी प्लानिंग्स को स्मॉल चंक्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं देन इट बिकम्स ईजियर टू फोकस यू कैन गिव योर फुल अटेंशन टू what needs to be done today, which helps you execute better and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Because you don't have to plan your whole week, sometimes focusing on next small step is enough to keep moving forward. Personally, मैं भी कुछ ऐसे ही करती हूँ. मैं पूरे वीक की प्लानिंग पहले से नहीं करती. मैं सिर्फ वही लिखती हूँ जो उस दिन मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. And you know, my planner is very simple. It only has the days of the week, and that's what I love about it. And I can write whatever I need for that day. There's no fixed way to use a weekly planner. आप इसे अपनी रूटीन और अपनी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से यूज़ कर सकते हो. If you're working, then you can write office meetings, important deadlines, emails to send, workout plans, meal planning, or even personal errands. If you're a content creator, then you can use it for quick reminders like video ideas, script recording, editing, posting, and you don't have to write all the details here, just a small reminder of what you need to work on that day. If you are managing your home, then you can simply note things like grocery shopping, meal planning, bill payments, cleaning, or some personal things. Or honestly, you don't even need a specific reason to use one. And the best part is there is no right or wrong way to use a weekly planner. So yeah, you don't have to follow someone else's system. Just write down the things that matter to you and create a planner that fits your routine and lifestyle. If you use a weekly planner, then let me know in the comments what do you usually write in yours.